How to get WhatsApp Meta AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get WhatsApp's Meta AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to make sure is that your WhatsApp is up to date to its latest version. For that, head over to your App Store and simply search for WhatsApp. And after you search for WhatsApp, open it up and check if there is an update option. If you find an update button like this, simply tap on update to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. After you do that, you can open up your WhatsApp. And after you open up your WhatsApp, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to head over to a chat where you want to enable your WhatsApp AI, Meta AI. So I'll just head over to a chat. And right there, what you'll need to do is head over to the text area. And now simply tap on @ and simply write Meta AI. Now, whenever you write this, a pop-up should open up. And if the pop-up does appear, just tap on it and this will start your Meta AI. If it does not appear, that means that your area or your region has not yet been available with the Meta AI feature. So now you cannot actually use it without being it in your area or your region. If it is available in the region, you will get a pop-up after you type this and you can tap on it and you can just use Meta AI. If it's not there, all you have to do is just wait for the new update from where you will get the Meta AI in your region, and after that you will be able to use it. And it's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.